Here's an update on the 2017 Dodge Journey GT. Got the passenger's door on, passenger's fender. No, this is not final fit. I'm gonna be putting this together and tearing it apart several times. This pillar did get bent down a little bit. Actually have a friend of mine coming over to look at it that owns a body shop to see what he would do. I imagine I'm gonna end up replacing it. Door opens and closes. Even with this pillar bent down, most of the impact was to the skin of it, not to the thing. But this pillar is 90% getting replaced, 95% getting replaced. Inside pillar is getting replaced. That's why I said this is not final fit. I gotta pull all these parts off, put them on, pull them off, put them on. Gap on the doors is a little bit level there, but a little unlevel there. I mean, it's level. Oh, not level, but it's leveler there than it is up there. I mean, it's a little bit off. These doors did come off of a 09 Dodge Journey. The window motor, the wiring, and this module right here were all different. The plugs were different. They didn't work correctly. Everything else worked just right, just how it's supposed to. Hood is not finished. It's got a few little dents in it I gotta get out. Hood is aluminum, so I gotta get the dents out of it a little different way. I'll probably try to use a paintless dent removing setup on that. Passenger driver's side, the struts are going to be replaced. This apron, outer apron, it's getting replaced. I'm waiting on a tool. This outer apron, this skin here, this, just like the other side, this pillar is getting replaced because most likely it damaged it to the extreme. I'm gonna do some checking on that though, but I'm 95% certain that one's gonna be replaced. Driver's door's on. Gaps are not good at all, but I mean they open and close. But I got work to do to that. So that door's gonna be coming back off. The upper skin got pushed back, so I think that pillar got bent and it got pushed back a little bit. So I'm gonna straighten it. I'm gonna do a pull on it, and then replace it. Here, this here got bent. Here got bent, so all that's gonna be pulled and replaced. Here's the back door. It's on too. Rear strut. I'm gonna probably end up putting all new struts on this, so the struts will be replaced. I got a little bit of body damage down here on this door. That's gonna be replaced. It's not a big deal. But the doors are on, and let's see. Oh, I ain't got this. Let me plug this in. Plug this in here. Give me a second. Oh. See if the all the windows work. The driver's side wiring was Probably most likely different too. So I just changed it. I'm back. Kind of hard doing this by one person. But there, we're gonna... Oh, let's see here. There. Got really low miles. Got 156,000 miles. Do we have that on? Yep. Let's see if we got windows here. Nope, none of the windows are working right now. I don't understand that, but oh, it could be a module that's not plugged in on this, or could be something to do with wiring. But the passenger side, yeah, it's got to do something with the wiring somewhere, because it did work yesterday. This window rolled up and down. I did just change this door, so I ain't got all the modules and stuff hooked onto it. So I imagine that's probably what it is. Let's see here. Oh, I didn't even have the yeah, see, it goes up and down. The other doors ain't working, but I'm gonna still play with it because they were working. I just put this, put the front door on, so it's not working correctly. I mean, there's a module that runs some things, so I imagine that's probably it. Sorry for boring you there for a second. But this skin's gonna get replaced. It's gonna get pulled forward and replaced. This pillar did not get bent down. But because of damage here, this the outer skin's gonna be replaced. The inner apron's gonna be replaced. Everything up here is gonna be replaced. As you see, a lot of stuff got bent. I do have all those parts. Here's the back door. Getting ready to strip it so it can be thrown on a scrap trailer. Here's the front door, front driver's door. But I don't want to bore you guys, but I did want to get a video out there of it, that I haven't gave up on it, and I'm actually waiting on a tool, a neat tool. I have one, but the bit broke, so I found another one that has adapters and pieces that my other one don't have. So we'll get that. It's a drill, spot weld. Oh, what do they call it? A spot weld. Spot weld gun drill. It's not cheap. Spot weld gun drill. Let me see if I have my other one here. This one I bought from a pawn shop and it don't work. Oh, it's not out here. I don't know where it is right off the bat. Let's see. Oh, it's right here. Sorry about the messy garage. I am actually cleaning. That's why the Dodge Journey's outside. But I actually bought this one from a pawn shop, and it's a neat drill. But I bought it. I found another one online. That comes with a couple bits. The drill bits for this thing. This is high strength steel, and some of these drill bits do not like high strength steel. So I bought a drill bit and it broke right after the second thing. Manufacturer is gonna hopefully replace it, but it's kind of a cool toy. I will actually give you a view of it. It takes out the spot weld, so you can drill all the way through, or you can just drill a portion through. But yeah, I broke one of the bits going through this high strength steel. Let me see, it's right here. The tip of it broke off, so I'm hoping the company will replace it. I gotta send it in, cause that drill bit, where I ordered it from, cause I was trying to get videos out, where I ordered this drill bit from, it was a little bit over $80 for just this stupid bit. And if you focus, if you see, the tip broke. So I'm going to send that back to the manufacturer. Hopefully they replace it, because I do like this drill. But I ordered another one because it was used, rebuilt used. But I will give you an oversight of that. I don't want to bore you on what I'm doing. I'm cleaning the garage. Cleaning the garage up, moving stuff around, cleaning and everything. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. I'm sorry for the length of this video. I should have made it short and sweet, but I wanted to kind of give you guys an update on why I haven't posted, or what the Dodge Journey stage is. But please like, share, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching.